So basically, I've been seeing a lot of video on YouTube is on easy mode. YouTube is on easy mode. Get your acts on YouTube. YouTube is on easy mode. Is that really true? Is YouTube really on easy mode? So guys, I was like, I'm going to sit down, calm down and analyze this whole thing. Let me know if YouTube is really on easy mode. So I am done analyzing. So in today's video, I'm going to give my own opinion. This is my own perspective. If YouTube is really on easy mode, I don't know, but based on my own. So guys, about 12 weeks now. Yeah, 12 weeks now. Let me just say a month. I got 1,000 subscribers. Let me just call it a month. Yeah, I got 1,000 subscribers. Yes. And 9 days ago, my subscribers was on 2,000. Today, I have extra 200 and something subscribers. Yes, like 9 days ago. So my subscriber is currently on 2,200 and something. So does it mean YouTube is on easy mode? We are coming to that, okay? So guys, based on my own perspective, based on my own observation, based on my own analysis, I don't think YouTube is really on easy mode. I've been going through, some people's channel, checking things, and based on my own, I don't think YouTube is on easy mode. The honest truth is YouTube is kind of picking a day. Like, let me say this week, YouTube is going to push out creators content. Next week, the algorithm is going to do somehow. So it's just based on the algorithm. Sometimes YouTube is pushing out content. Sometimes YouTube is not pushing out content. So I don't really think YouTube is on easy mode. Yeah. But do you think YouTube is on easy mode? If you are to give your own opinion, will you say that YouTube is on easy mode? Because guys, a lot of creators has been complaining of getting low views, and some are also getting big engagement, like their videos are being pushed out, but some creators are complaining of the algorithm not really working for them this period. So that's one thing about YouTube. You will see this week they'll push out content, next week it's just not regular. But guys, let me be honest, get your acts on YouTube. If you have dream of being a YouTuber, you want to start content creation, you want to be a YouTuber, you want to start YouTube, but you don't know when to start, I think this is the time, this is the right time for you to start. But it doesn't mean YouTube is on easy. I don't know this easy mode stuff based on my own observation, because I've been observing YouTube. Yeah, I know I got 1,000 subscribers not long ago, about a month now. Yeah, let me just call it a month, but it's not up to a month. And 9 days now, I got 200 and something subscriber. I know it's not big, but I really appreciate. Yeah, I really appreciate. I'm very happy. But guys, it doesn't mean YouTube is on easy mode. YouTube is not really on easy mode. No, I don't think YouTube is on easy mode based on my observation. I've been analyzing the whole thing and observing. I've even checked out some creators channels. So I don't really think YouTube is on easy mode. But this is the right time for you to get your acts on YouTube, okay? This is the right time for you to keep posting, because you never can tell. Yeah, you might post and YouTube will just push out your content kind of go viral. You're going to get a lot of subscribers and views, watch out. So get your acts on YouTube. Let me tell you, you also have to bear in mind that it is not easy. Okay, it's not easy. So sometimes you post, you will not get views, sometimes you will get, but you don't have to give up. Okay, so I don't really think YouTube is on easy mode. Just that it's not regular. It's not regular stuff. Sometimes they will just push out people's content. Sometimes they will not. But based on my own, I don't think, because a lot of creators are complaining of getting low views. Yes, a lot of creators are also complaining of having low engagement. So I don't really think YouTube is on easy mode. I don't really think. Just that YouTube is kind of pushing out content this period, but it's not regular. Sometimes they push out, sometimes they don't. But I don't. But the whole thing is, you have to keep trying. You have to keep pushing. Okay, you don't know what will work for you. Okay, you have to keep posting, because you might post, then you'll be lucky the algorithm will just favor you and push out your content to large people. Then people will click and watch. Okay, so I don't really think YouTube is on easy mode. And this period, I just think YouTube is not pushing a lot of creators' content out. But I don't know. This is based on my own experience. It may not be the same with yours, yes, because maybe YouTube is on easy mode for you. Yeah, for you, maybe YouTube is just working for you, it's favoring you. I don't really know, but it's not an easy mode for me. It's not working for me like that. So based on my own observations, I would say YouTube is not on the easy mode. So, but you don't have to give up. You have to be optimistic, hopeful, keep pushing. Okay, just have to keep going. But YouTube is not really on easy mode. It takes a lot. Even you that is monetized, it takes a lot for you to make money on YouTube. That's the honest truth. That's the honest truth. So YouTube is not really on easy mode. I don't know. So guys, I would like to know what you think on this topic, because I've been seeing a lot of things concerning this. YouTube is on easy mode. YouTube is on easy mode. Do you think YouTube is on easy mode? Do you think? But I think this is the right time for you to get your ass on YouTube. But do you really think YouTube is on easy mode? If you had to say something about it, what would you say? Tell me in the comment section, let me know. But I don't really think YouTube is on easy mode. I don't know. But for me, I think YouTube is difficult. Yeah, it's difficult, it's somehow it's a thing of favor. Yeah, sometimes it favors you, sometimes it doesn't. Okay, so but I don't know, but I don't really think YouTube is on easy mode, yes, especially for really small YouTubers. I don't really think. So tell me what you think in the comment section. Please make sure you subscribe if you haven't. Join the family, okay? So guys, I want to start doing something. Let me think. Okay, I will post it in my comment. Yeah, I'll post it in my comment. Okay guys, see you on my next video. Bye guys. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Okay, bye.